was when I first started the car up, and here's now, I just gave it a little pounce on the gas, and it kind of just takes it from that, you know, when you first start a car, it gets it warmed up, and then you give it a second push on the gas pedal. It always takes the engine down a bit. And well, let me check the window a moment. There's one window going down. That's the back window. Back window. Back window. I don't know the fronts aren't looking like they did. That's going up. I think I know why the front window here is not going down. A for sale sign dropped inside there. And I think that is what happened. A for sale sign dropped inside there. Well, that's the car. I'm going to close the hood. And when you close the hood, you have to close it dead on in the center. Oh, darn, I forgot to close the windows. All right, anyway, I'm going to